Hey, to turn on the Talkback on your Redmi 12C, first open the settings, then you have to scroll down and you have to go to the additional settings. Now we have to go to the accessibility, and right here you have to go from the general to the vision, and here we have to click on the Talkback and then simply turn it on. There is also the Talkback shortcut, so when we are going to press and hold both volume keys, we can activate this feature. So we can try if it works. So click and hold on the both buttons. Okay, for some reason it doesn't work. Let's try to repeat. Okay, as you can see right now it is working. So we have to hold
both
these two buttons
for 3 seconds to use Talkback.
We have to hold these buttons at the same time. I mean, press them at the same time. Then to turn it on, click to turn on. Okay, it's not, but okay, let's turn it on with the switcher. And as you can see, the Talkback is turned on.
Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback.
If you want to navigate in the Talkback, you have to use this simple option. So click on the button and then double tap.
By touch.
Next and double tap. If you want to close it, close and double tap.
Close tutorial.
Then tap, close and then double tap. So that's the easy way to simply navigate in the Talkback. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.